Now to CBS 4's Dylan Thomas. Dylan, we always worried about kids and pets being locked in cars on those sweltering days. Well, soon Coloradans will be able to jump in and take some pretty drastic action to help.
Yeah, Jim, well, currently state law actually prohibits anyone from stopping their vehicle, getting out of it, and leaving a child inside who's unattended. Well, soon this state law is going to be implemented where you are going to be able to grab onto a window, shatter it even by striking it in order to save a life. But that law isn't going to be implemented until August. So until then, you're going to be seeing flyers like this being passed around.
It's real dangerous in the summer months especially.
With several cities seeing temperatures above 90 Friday, the concern for hot car-related fatalities is also on the rise.
Even if you go inside, quick run to the bank or run to the store and you're inside for 10-15 minutes, the temperature can raise by 20 degrees in that time.
It is illegal to leave a child in a car unattended, but come August, citizens will have the legal right to smash a window if they see a child or dog suffering in a hot car.
Dogs' body temperatures run at a higher temperature than humans. Normally.
Animal Protection Sergeant Josh Rolfe says Denver has already had 175 hot car related reports this year, and that's just for dogs. Dog owners tell us they have left their dog behind before, but many said today's heat was too much to do so. Adding, come August, they may consider helping a furry friend themselves.
If I thought the dog's life was in danger, of course I would.
If I had to break a window, I guess I would, depending on the situation. It'd be pretty drastic, but I would do it.
Some saying common sense should apply by treating others how you want to be treated.
I think that's how you should treat everything, person or dog.
Now, once again, that law will not be implemented until August, and there will be different restrictions before you can take action breaking into a window in order to save someone. They say you will actually have to make a reasonable attempt in order to find the owner of the vehicle, and you also have to call authorities before you take that action yourself. We're live in Denver. Dylan Thomas, CBS 4 News.